This is a Mocktail lemonade drop. And again, this is no alcohol. Let's see. That's good. Good stuff. I'm going to pour some pomegranate. Going to do a little bit of cherry grenadine. I got my straw. All right, so I got my lemonade. Here's the lemonade. I'm gonna pour it in there. Try not to make a mess. So this is the lemonade. Pour a little bit of, just not a lot. All right, guys, so here's the book of the month, Dream the Impossible. So make sure you go online to www.tjinspires.com to get your book. All right, it's Book Wednesday with TJ Inspires. Go ahead and get your book.